clearly many investors have recognised the potential of one page. The piece that excites us that some investors may not have recognised yet is the value in the database. So this is close to 1.2 billion individual profiles. So if you're on social media, it's most likely you are in the one-page database, and they've enriched that data by scraping data from other publicly available websites. And it would be very difficult for someone to replicate that database, those 1.2 billion profiles and the enriched data around those profiles. And then what that can be used for in recruitment is clearly to identify candidates, to validate them by talking to people that person is connected with within the firm that's trying to hire somebody, and then reaching out to them using someone that they're connected to. And that, to my mind, if you compare that to the online job boards where you put up a job and you wait for people to send their CV to you, that just looks very unsophisticated in a world of rich data. And so one page is front and centre in that, having an enriched database being used for recruitment, and we can see in terms of the companies that are already using it, that it's got a compelling offer. Companies like Amazon and Red Bull, and as I say, I don't think that database can be replicated by anybody. Now, what is that worth? Clearly, if you look at the amount of money spent on recruitment, if you look at the valuations of companies with job boards, if you look at the valuation of LinkedIn, and you put that all together, one page I think is targeting a multi-billion-dollar market cap opportunity with a better product than the existing players in the marketplace. So, $600 million Aussie dollar market cap, I think has started to recognise the value of that database, but I don't think it fully reflects the potential of one page's opportunity.
What gives you confidence that they can overcome the challenge of LinkedIn?
Well, my understanding is that LinkedIn has approximately, and this may need to be updated, but has approximately 450 million profiles on LinkedIn and a multi-billion-dollar market capitalisation. One page has nearly 1.2 billion profiles and a $600 million valuation. And although clearly LinkedIn is ahead of the game in terms of monetisation, it is generating revenue from the recruitment industry using the LinkedIn database. It looks to me that one page has a superior offering to HR departments, and I would have thought that one page would clearly take market share away from the job boards in the first place. That seems to be the most obvious opportunity. And then the question is, how does LinkedIn think about that? It would make a lot of sense to me that for LinkedIn to buy one page, for example. But we'll see. I think the CEO of one page is hoping to take as much market share away as possible and grow a multi-billion-dollar market capitalisation company.